If you're ready to move up into a home in Ocean Beach, Point Loma, or Bay Park and want to keep your current home as a rental, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Cece Summerfield with Tenants Realty. There are a few things to consider when deciding if this is the right move for you. The pros of keeping your home as a rental are that you may be able to earn some passive income, and you can write off all the improvements and maintenance. The cons are you are now a landlord dealing with tenants, and if and when you decide to sell, there may be capital gains. If the pros outweigh the cons for you, then the next step is to see how much you can qualify for on a new loan, including keeping your current property, and what a comfortable monthly payment is going to be. This will not only give you an idea of where you stand with buying a home in the neighborhood that you want to, but also whether it's realistic to keep your current home as a rental. You will also want to find out how much you can rent your home for. You want to at least break even every month on paying the mortgage. Finally, find out what the rental market is like in your neighborhood. How long does it take to get a home rented, and what is the turnover? Consider consulting a property manager or a realtor that has experience with rentals like me. If you're ready for some help or just have some real estate questions, reach out to me. I'm Cece Summerfield, and I'm always happy to help.